Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today is October's Boxycharm Day. So excited to share with you guys what I got this month and to try these out. So this month I got, like always, an eye palette. Loving this eye palette. So pretty, love the color. It just feels nice and sleek, and it's Marvelous Mauves. And inside the colors are just gorgeous, just nice. Love it. Excited to try this out today. And let's see, that retails for $32. Then I also got a Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I'm not a big face mask person. Usually have to leave them on for so long, and I'm just lazy. So it looks like you do this twice a week and you leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm also not digging that it says here that it may stain fabrics. I mean, I can get messy. What if it drops on my shirt and boom, there it goes. So I don't know if I'm going to be a big fan of this, but we will see. And that retails for it's just blending in on here, $35. All right, and then I'm really excited about this to try out, the Glassy Touchin' Soul. It's like a face moisturizer. Ultra Hydration Priming Skin Balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates an illuminating glow that lasts throughout the day, retailing for $32. This dry face needs all the help it can get, so I'm hoping that that stuff will be amazing. And then I also got a beauty blender, and that retails for $21. I'm excited about this because I want to try to get into beauty blenders. I don't really use them, so excited to try that out. And then I also got the Iconic London, and that is Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, and that retails for $26. So I'm excited to try this. Now, I don't really have any lip pencils, so I wish that Boxycharm would have given you a lip pencil that would have gone good with this color. So I guess I'm going to have to start shopping around and see if I can find a really good lip pencil that would go with this. But yeah. So I also wanted to share that this is starting to talk about the 2.0 that starts in November. And so I'm excited about that. The price did go up to $25, but you get more stuff. You get now some foundations or concealers, and you get to pick an item. Next month, I get to get me some eye wrinkle stuff for my old self. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, you just get to do some different add-ons and everything. You should definitely go to their site and check that out. And so for this month, I'm still at my old price of $22.26. This box came to $146. So I saved a total of $23.74. You can't beat that. So now I'm totally excited to try these out. So let's get right on into it. Okay guys, so I was gonna try out the face mask today, but I decided that I just am too lazy to do that. I don't wanna wait the 10 minutes and the risk of staining something. So if you are interested in seeing how this works out, let me know. I can make a video just for this face mask, but for today, I'm just not gonna try it out. So we are going to start off with my face moisturizer, the Glossy In Touch Soul. So excited. Let's see how this works. My face is super dry today. It's really interesting packaging. I don't know if I'm putting too much on or what, but I'm dry. You can hear it. It smells good. My nose off with my fingernail. It doesn't feel smooth. I feel like it feels a little greasy though. So I don't know. I felt like I just put lotion on my face. Definitely made my face redder. That's for sure. I don't know. It's definitely smooth. It smells good. It smells clean. It Smells like a lotion for sure. But we'll see. We'll see how my makeup goes on now. And we'll see how it lasts through it. See if it's too greasy or whatever. So, y'all know I use my It's Celebration Foundation. I could definitely tell a difference when I put on my foundation. It feels, I don't know, and even it feels right now greasy. I think it's greasy, and I'm worried that it's gonna like make my makeup cakey. We will have to see throughout the day if I'm gonna like that. I don't know. I don't know what I want, a greasy feeling face compared to dry skin. I don't know, and my Neutrogena stuff that I've been using does not make my face feel greasy and has kept my dryness good throughout the day. So far, I'm not really liking the face moisturizer. We will see. All right, so I'm going to put on partial of, oh wait, nope. Take that back. We're going to try out the Beauty Blender next. And again, since I don't use regular foundation, today I'm going to try my NYX concealer on my eyelids before I do the eyeshadow. So we'll see how this works because I normally use a Merle Norman stick. So I'm not used to doing this, so we will see. No idea if that's too much or what, but we'll see how this turns out. I guess you just blot. Now, the box said to wet the Beauty Blender, so I already did. I think it works good. I don't know. I might find that I might like doing it this way instead of my Merle Norman stick. Guess we'll see how this eyeshadow look turns out. And I'm going to use my CoverGirl to put over to set it. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but I'm going to. Okay, so far I like the Beauty Blender. I mean, obviously I'm not a pro with a Beauty Blender, so I can't compare it. So I like it, and I'm going to keep practicing with it and try it out. So now I'm going to go put my eyeliner, do my brows really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, ready to do the eyes. So I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be using my It's brushes. These are my favorite go-to brushes that I love to use every day to do my eye looks. But I'm also going to use some of the, I think they're the Moda Pro. I'm going to use a couple brushes from my, I don't remember what month it was, but from one of my Boxycharms. I'm going to use those and a few of my e.l.f. brushes. We'll use those. And then also on my lids, I will be going to my go-to color tattoo Socialite. Going to use that with this look. And my Maybelline little white eyeliner that I like to use in the corner of my eye. And I'm going to use my love to go to Urban Decay glitter. Love, 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 love this stuff. It does not show up that great on camera. Does not do it justice. Got to see it in person. I get compliments all the time, and I'm thinking, oh, I did my eyes all great. Nope, it's the glitter. They're all about the glitter. It looks so great in person. It makes the eyes just pop. It seems like a lot, but then it doesn't, and it's like, it's just subtle. But yet it's a lot. It's crazy. It's amazing. It just makes your eyes, unless you hate glitter, it's worth the, I think it was 20 bucks. Worth it. Totally should look into it. So anyways, and then I'll also be using my go-to Essence Lashes Mascara to finish off the look. there it is. I don't think it looks that bad. Remember, I am not a makeup artist. I am definitely winging it as I go. And oh my God, this eyeshadow palette, did it go on crazy? I was worried I was going to end up looking like a clown. It went on way better than I thought it would. This may be my favorite palette yet with Boxycharm. Couldn't believe how well it went on. It was like, it just felt so smooth. And I'm loving it. And my Urban Decay glitter, oh my God, I wasn't expecting for that to go good with this. This color is Grind. And I can't believe, like, it's kind of a pinkish color, but I feel like it's been working with any colors that I have been using lately. Love this stuff. So far, I'm really liking it. I think it turned out pretty good. And so let's just finish this look off with the lip gloss. Wish I had a lip liner to do with it, so it's probably not going to be the greatest, but just something to put on my list to go shop for. Weird little indented. I don't know if you can see that. It's like an indent. Kind of has a taste to it. Oh. Well, not sure if I'm gonna be able to put any more on here. I'll get right back to you. I don't know. Somehow it just sucked right up into the entire stick. So don't pump it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, what a mess. Okay, so by reflex, I pumped it like I do my mascara. And I guess lip gloss doesn't like that. It like must have just sucked it all right up. So, it's still just gobs of it all over. But I'm going to try to put a little bit on and see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to have to wait for it to settle. So don't do that. Don't pump it. I got a little too much on, but I kind of like it just without the lip liner. I think it would work for just like a little natural look to run to the grocery store, or go to the gym. So it kind of has like a taste to it. I can't, maybe minty, not sure, but it has, you can definitely feel it. I don't want to say it's burning, maybe a pinch of a tingle. So I don't know. But I like it. I think it works just I don't know if I'd wear it every day. I'm really into my Merle Norman lip pencil, but I think to go to the gym or something like that, I like it. And so yeah, I don't think this look turned out too bad. And with the glassy moisturizer, the farther I went along, it's not as greasy, but it definitely still has a feel to it that I'm not sure if I like yet. I'll just have to keep using it, see how it goes, see if my makeup holds up throughout the day with it, and we'll just have to see. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, could you hit the subscribe button for me? And I can't wait till next month to do an unboxing and try on with you guys. So yeah, see you guys later.